How about that? That is the Angry Butcher Bike Shop here in Sunbury. Come and check these guys out. Obviously have a lot of skill, know what they're doing. We'll see you here soon.